Hello and welcome back to another video. The aim of these videos is to try and learn something while keeping up our CSS battle daily streak. As always, if you want to see more CSS battles, the link to the playlist will be in the description below. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. So jumping straight into today's challenge, we've got a speech bubble. So we will start off by setting the body, the background of a not very nice green color. I know I do this pretty much on every video now, but I like just setting display flex and justify align item center. We'll give this div a class of bubble, and inside bubble we'll set 3 divs with dot class. Let's change the target of this to bubble. You can change the background color to the blue color, a width of maybe 200, a height of 160. Let's try 150. And then let's add the border radius here of 50%. So yeah, the width definitely needs to be wider here at 250. Okay, the width looks okay. Maybe the height was 160. Yep, that looks good. What we're also going to do here is give this a display of flex, justify content. Also, if you guys are watching this, I'm using a new MacBook at the moment as well. I bought the MacBook M4 Pro, 24 gigs of RAM, and so far it's been so much smoother than my previous MacBook. I had like the 2017 MacBook Pro before this, so I was struggling a little bit to do all these recordings. Anyway, now that we've done the bubble and we've display flex, justify content center, align item center, we can set a gap as well of about 30 pixels for now. So that inside we can have the dots. Each dot will try a height and width of 20 pixels. We can set the background. Let's set the gap as well, 40 pixels. Let's try 30. 30. We can copy and paste the border radius at 50% to make them circles. And that might be perfect. Now I'm going to try using the before here as well on the bubble to create the little triangle or arrow, whatever you want to call it. So first of all, I'll set the content. I'm going to set the background for now as a white color. We're going to set position as absolute. Actually, we might not even need to make a triangle shape here. We can create a, what looks like it could just be a square, and position it in a way that it points out so it looks like an arrow or a triangle. So let's set the height here 30 pixels and a width of 30 pixels. So we've set a left of 100 pixels and a top of 200 pixels, slightly out of position, but let's just change the color so we can have a look here. So yeah, we're close. And let's go 180. That looks okay. And then the left needs to be more like 80. 90. There we go, that looks perfect. And then we can submit that. And there we go, another score of 600 and 100% match. If you made it this far, I'd appreciate if you could leave a like and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, have a good day, and I'll see you next time.